Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to increase upload file size limit in WordPress from CPanel. If you want to know how to increase WordPress upload file size limit from CPanel, then you should watch this video completely. Here you can see when I am trying to upload media, here maximum upload file size is 8 MB and I will increase it, and I will show you step by step how to increase the files upload size limit in WordPress from CPanel. When I try to import my website through all-in-one WP migration plugin, here you can see maximum upload file size is 8 MB. Then how to increase it? First you have to visit your CPanel, then here is a search button, and here you should search PHP INI. Here you can see multi PHP INI editor. Click on it. Next you have to select a domain, select a location. Here you have to select your domain. My domain is roseblogin.com. okay, and then here you can see your upload file size limit is here mentioned. Here you can change 2 MB, 8 MB. okay, here you can change it. Here you have to change two files. okay, here post max size, here you can mention 1024 MB, or you can change your 2 GB 3 GB, but enter the information in MB. okay, then upload max file size, here the maximum size of an upload file. Here you can mention 2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB. okay, but mention enter the data in MB. okay, then click on apply. Successfully applied the settings. Let's check the information has been updated or not. Media and add new. Here you can see maximum upload file size limit is 1 GB, and I have updated here 1024 MB means 1 GB. okay, here you can see maximum upload file size limit is 1 GB. Thank you guys for watching this video completely. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.